Happy Vlogmas day 2, you guys. It's gonna be an office day for me today. I am doing a lot of computer work, so a lot of editing, a lot of scheduling and posting, and I'm probably gonna try to film today as well for, I don't know which channels, but I gotta get some filming done. And Ember, like I said, our house is a little bit of a mess. I have a dining room chair in here because it doesn't fit in the dining room anymore with all of those plants. But Ember loves her little spot. We have her on the bed. This is her crinkle mat. She loves it. But anyway, I think that's pretty much it. I have a hat in my hand. That's pretty much it for my plan right now. I would love to clean this room and like box some things up because I have Christmas gifts to wrap. Happy day 2 of Vlogmas.
December 2nd. I guess this will be out on December 3rd then.
Yeah, but technically it's December 2nd for us.
Yeah. Happy day 2.
We have sleepy puppies. The other one is outside barking. She does that for like probably 3 hours a day in the morning. Comes in, takes a nap, and then goes back at it. And there's Eva.
Ew.
I think it's pretty much nap time for everybody. What is this giant box, Ben?
I don't want to talk about it. If I think about it, I get a headache.
Ben isn't supportive of my yarn. I'm just kidding. Well, actually, no, I'm not kidding.
I'm supportive of your crocheting, not supportive of yarn hoarding.
It's not hoarding if I plan to use it. Well, I guess it's every hoarder's excuse. Anyway, did a big Black Friday order of yarn. I wasn't allowed to order fun yarn. And by that I mean this is literally all work yarn. All of these colors, this is 2 giant boxes by the way. All of these colors are, except for this one, are for, no, actually this one is for, all of these are for the crochet animals that I make for the sanctuary. And people will purchase them or donate to us and then get one usually at our events and our shows. I think I mentioned that. I showed you guys the crochet opossum like a few vlogs ago. But mostly black, white, gray, pink, brown. Make rabbits, opossums. What else do I make? Pigs. There's some pink in the bottom box. I don't think there's any in this top one. But I have a lot of work to do. But this should hold us over for the entire 2023 event season. I do need to start making some animals. I've been on a little bit of a break because I needed a break from making animals and I wanted to work on some of my blankets, like my temperature blanket and stuff, which I should probably show you at some point, but yep.
You gotta have a permit this way up here.
Inside joke. You guys stay. You can't fit on the couch too. You got that all to yourself. Hi, Em. You really like your bed? This bed has just turned into a bed for her. She has crinkled tunnels, crinkled mats. She usually has a ton of toys, but I think she's carried them to other places in the house. Hi, beautiful. Yeah. We are heading outside right now to play with the dogs again. I feel like every day in the Vlogmas vlogs, we're gonna have a dog playing segment. So let's go. Got the treats for training because that's really bright. Brought the goods.
Here. Ellie, we're gonna put that out. We're gonna put the frisbee out.
You want to play? F? Oh, almost caught that.
Sit.
Good girl, Lou.
Bye-bye.
Good girl. Oh, fire.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Here.
Fire, Harley?
Here. Harley. Good boy. Got it. Okay. Good girl.
Fire. Uh-oh, incoming.
Brian, sit. Good girl. Stay. Stay.
Do some spins for the cam. I think Briar knows. I don't remember if I taught Briar how to spin.
Spin.
So that would be a no.
Spin. Have a spin. Good girl. Right. Spin. Good. Spin. High five. High five. High five.
Come on, you know this one. Here, Harley, let's go. Come on. Harley. No, wait. What's going on? He's a boy, but you were supposed to bring the frisbee.
Oh, it was a frisbee. Here. Good girl, Brian. Ready? Here. Harley. Here. Sit. Stay. Stay. Here. Give me the frisbee. Let me see.
Oh! Got thirsty. Here's what the garden's looking like. It's mostly, obviously, cold weather crops right now. It just looks so bare. We've got a lot of lettuce and kale up here. See the kale in the middle. The lettuce is doing fantastic. Then we have, I don't know, it looks like mostly celery and some onions. And then down there, pak choi and bok choy. And then, like, I think there's chicory down there, even further, more onions. And there's some garlic over there. But that's pretty much all we have going on here right now. Already can't wait for spring. And we're gonna harvest some greens now for the buns. So we're gonna clean them. Do a big clean. I don't know if you guys know, but they live in the house in the living room right now because they're on minimal space. So what are we getting for the buns?
Greens,
Lettuce.
lettuce, plantain, celery. Really getting something good for Cammy and Trin since they're picky.
Yeah. What do they like the best, do you think? Like celery?
I don't know. With chicory sometimes. I don't know. I feel like they get in moods.
They really do. They might not even touch anything at all. The other two, Dusk and Lunar, they will eat literally anything. Oh my! Oh! Ah! Yeah, our Briar, big head's in the way. basket's almost full over there, and then we'll be cleaning bunnies. Love, what are you doing? You sit. Good girl. You're such a pretty girl. Sit, Briar. Briar, you sit. Good girl. Good girls. Good girls. They're like, hey, there aren't any treats involved. Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here, your turn. Your turn.
Chicory, lettuce, bok choy, plantain, cress, a little bit of arugula and celery.
Nice.
That's good.
Bunny time. The bunnies are clean. Like 3 hours later. No, actually it's only probably been an hour, but these guys right here, Dusk and Lunar, are a little on the messy side. They're not great with potty training. Well, see, they go in their litter box, but Lunar here likes to just dig all of the stuff out of the litter box. So that's their main problem. And then Chamomile and Trinity are over on this side. They're in these kennels so that they get used to one another and bond. But Dusky's a little aggressive with the other girls. But anyway, it's clean. This doesn't happen very often. This won't last. In 10 minutes, they'll have this torn all apart. But, hi! They had a fun time running around, and Ben was watching them and lost Chamomile, and then we found her.
We didn't lose her. We were playing hide and go seek.
Really? But they're clean. It's on the record. This is what it looks like normally. Well, what it's supposed to look like. These guys actually, the girls keep it clean for the most part. Trinity just likes to rip up cardboard and make it into teeny pieces of paper. And then this will be a disaster soon. On Dusk. Hey everyone, I'm just outside filming. In case, I don't know if I included the clip or not where I mentioned that I have a toy channel, but I have a toy channel. I have had it for a long time now. Old subscribers would know about it, but we have had a lot of new subscribers come in the last like year or two, so just in case. I haven't really vlogged about my toy channel in a while because we've been primarily focused on vlogging out of the new property, so you guys get a little update at our life here at the house. But I'm outside because lighting. Briar, my sweet puppy girl Briar, chewed the end off of the ring light, so I don't have I can't plug it into the wall. The plug is separated from the cord now. We gotta fix that or order a new cord. I don't really have any other extra lights, so I gotta take advantage of the daylight. Plus I like filming outside. It's kind of chilly out, but it's still not too bad, so I could still film out here for a while. But I'm just doing like my Black Friday toy haul because I like doing the toy hauls before, well, I have to do the toy hauls before I open everything. So I do need to start rolling and getting all of this stuff open, but we have a ton of stuff. Anyway, just wanted to jump in and mention that, and I think it's going to be a good place to end it here today. We're pretty much wrapping up our day. I know Ben's already lounging, he's in bed. And then I'm going to do a couple more things on the computer, and then we're just going to have dinner and go to sleep. We are definitely the kind of people that are in bed by like 8, so we'll be ending our vlogs when it's still light out. But we have day 3 tomorrow. We're going strong. We hope you guys enjoyed this day 2. I forgot what day it was already. I just said it was day 3 tomorrow. Day 2 vlog. But we'll be back tomorrow, and we want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you next time.